Now we design a DFA machine for sigma is equal to a. For the given language L barabar a to the power n, n is the equal to 1. The second question is L is equal to a to the power n is greater than equal to 1, and the L is equal to a to the power n and n is less than equal to 2. There are three questions which we solve here. First we describe that L is equal to a to the power n is equal to 1. It means the language L is equal to only a, that exactly 1 a. For this we define an initial state. It is an initial state. The name is Q naught. मैंने यहाँ पे Q naught स्टेट लिया है. After that we provide the input symbol. Here input symbol is only a. So now we provide a, and then we change this state Q1. So now Q naught to Q1 there is an input a that will be accepted only 1a. So it is our final state. So this is the final DFA for the n is equal to a to the power n. Okay. Now like this, the other question is that second number n is equal to a to the power n is greater than equal to 1. It means कि all possibilities of a except null. So here we can find that L is equal to a when value is 1, 2 value is double a, then triple a, and so on. So for this we making here how we find the all number of a except null. So first we started with the input symbol. सबसे पहला काम करेंगे यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करेंगे. इनिशियल स्टेट इज द Q नॉट. इट इज नॉट अ फाइनल बिकॉज देयर इज नो नल. यहाँ पे नल नहीं है तो इनिशियल को फाइनल नहीं करेंगे. नोट कर लीजिए पॉइंट. फॉर L इज इक्वल टू नल means L is equal to a to the power n is equal to 0. Initial is final state. But here it is not a initial state, is a final because there is no null. Okay, for this a, now we provide a and capital A. So here is a theme that if we provide a to loop, then it is also accepted the final state. Now it is a null accepted. So we cannot here taking the loop, we are moving from Q naught to Q1. Now single A is accepted, so it is our final state. And for the second A, here we cannot provide the loop because it is NFA machine. If here we provide null, it is NFA, but we design DFA machine, so we cannot take here this loop. So for this Q1 state, we can complete it by A. Now A is accepted. Now A and this A is double A is accepted. A one time A, second time A, triple A accepted. For that, all the number of A is accepted by this DFA machine. So there are two states. One is Q naught initial and Q1 is your final state. Now the third question. And now, first of all, that it is a finite state, finite model, it is a infinite language. Now we take the third example. In the third example, L is equal to a to the power n and n is less than equal to 1 means n is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Okay, now L is equal to for 0 null character, for 1 single A and double A. So it is a finite language. It is a finite. So now for null initial is a final. Initial is a final state. Now for single A, It is also accepted here, Q1 state. For double A we cannot back, but we have to move to forward, and now it is your final state. It is a complete DFA, that is also minimized DFA. Here we cannot say that it is a complete because Q2 have no input, so we provide it, and now it is a dead state. This is called complete DFA. After that, minimized, then remove null state. So we find that it is our final solution is minimized DFA. That is our final answer.